Okay, so here we have an equation with fractions on both sides. I note that we can subtract 4 from both sides right away, but I'm going to opt to multiply both sides right away by 6, by the common denominator. And we have binomials on both sides, so we're going to put these arrows in. On the left-hand side, we have 6 times x over 2, which is 3x, and then 6 times 4. On the right-hand side, we have 6 times x over 3, which would be 2x, plus 54. It's not a fluke that the 6 canceled off with the 2 on the left and the 3 on the right. That's how we chose the 6. It's not a fluke. So now, I look at the 3x and the 2x. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. And I'm also going to subtract 24 from both sides to get the numbers or constants on the right. These will cancel off, those will cancel off, and I will be left with x equals 30. Now, please note that if I were to take the 30 and substitute it in here and in there, on the left-hand side, I would get 30 over 2, which is 15, plus 4 is 19. On the right-hand side, I would get x over 3, which is 30 over 3, which is 10, plus 9, which is also 19. So 19 on both sides, so we did it right. Now this one, same idea, except we have a minus 4 all over 2. Now we don't have to put the brackets in there, but it's like there are brackets. So I'm going to take those out. So 2 and 5 are the denominators, so the common denominator would be 10. So 10 on both sides. And this time we have one denominator on each side, so I can cancel off the 2 with the 10 giving 5 over there, and the 10 with the 5 giving 2 over there. Then we can go 5a minus 20. I just did this and this. And on the right-hand side, I've got 2a plus 14. Notice with equations, we don't put an equal sign out front. I will take marks off for that. The equal sign is in between. When we're doing expressions like factoring and simplifying, we put the equal sign to the left. For equations, the equal sign is between the steps. At this point, similar to the last question, I will subtract 2a from both sides. Those will cancel off, that's why I did it. I will add 20 to both sides. Those will cancel off, that's why I did it. And I will be left with 3a equals 34. And dividing by 3 on both sides will give 34 over 3, or 11 1/3. And this kind of a question, and actually the previous one as well, are as far as I'd expect you to go. These are the most difficult you will see.